Stop uploading your videos the wrong way. Most people are uploading their videos the wrong way and they are killing their channels without them even knowing. Before you know, some people start complaining that they are getting low views, no subscribers, but not knowing that you are doing everything the wrong way. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can upload your video the right way and the right settings to turn on. So without wasting most of your time, please, if it's your first time coming across this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch to the end and see how you can upload your videos the right way. Thank you. Let's dive into it. Click on the plus button on your YouTube channel. Then it will take you to your gallery. When you get to your gallery, you pick either short or long video of your choice if you're posting short or long. So in this pencil icon, you click on it and it will take you to your gallery also, where you can add your customized thumbnails, the thumbnails that you already made for that particular video. Okay, and don't forget, your thumbnails is one of the most important things for your video, for people to click on it. So you set it up, then you press done. Then you see the thumbnail is already ready. This is what the people with your viewers are going to see when they come across your video. So your thumbnails is very important. Don't mind this my own. So you add title. Okay, so let's say you look for a better title, good one at that. Let's say how I see the word in a day. So how I see the word in a day. Then let's go for visibility. When you get to visibility, make sure your visibility is on private, like on private, because that's the only way you can get notified when your video have copyright or any issues. Okay, so it should be on private first. Then you set on not made for kids. Is very important. If your videos are made for kids, it's going to restrict most of YouTube is going to restrict most of the features. Okay, so for your description, your video description, for those of you that don't know how to put on your video description, you can head over to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT what your video is all about, and it will give you the video description. Tell ChatGPT to give you video description. It will give you a video description and also a hashtag, okay, that will work with it. Instead of you putting random hashtag or most of the things you don't know, ChatGPT will help you with that. All right. So if you scroll up, you will see add playlist. Okay, so if you already have a playlist, you already created a playlist, you can just add it to your videos. Okay, playlists are very important. It actually makes people discover your videos most of the time. It's very good to have a playlist. But if you don't have a playlist, in my next video I'll be showing you how to create a playlist. So you add this hashtag. This hashtag is not really visible in your videos, like it's inside. Most of the time you can add it from your YouTube studio dashboard. Like there are most of the settings you add. Okay, so you add in this hashtag also. Like these ones are not really visible, it's not going to show on your video. So you add in these hashtags. The minimum of hashtag you should add at least 4 to 5 hashtags is enough. Okay, too much of it, YouTube might just say it's a misuse of hashtag. Don't forget to save it once you are done. And you see, you scroll this privacy, make sure it's on privacy. I have to come check it again. You have to, your visibility have to be on private, or you schedule it. It's either it's on private or you schedule it. You have to be both. Then you upload. When you upload it, you wait for it to load. Okay, so now this one is loading. Wait for it to load. Now the video is done uploading. You click on this button that says edit on studio. It will take you to your YouTube Studio app. So it's very necessary for you to have your YouTube Studio app. Okay, so that's where you can publish it. You have to click on this visibility and it'll take you to public. You put it on public. Sorry, when you put it on public, then after putting it on public, all you need to do is to save it. The saving icon is up there, because the moment you put it on save, that video automatically have been published. Okay, so this is the save button. You need to put save, and that is it. Your videos is ready, have been published. And that is how you can properly upload your videos here on YouTube. And if you follow this step by step, you will start seeing real growth on your channel. Okay, and if you find this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, drop your comment below telling me your biggest challenge on your YouTube, and let me cover it in my next video. See ya.